Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon. Am I not audible?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank God, my device is fine. I thought the microphone of my device is gone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So finally, you are free from your exams today, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Free
ma'am.
birds. Children, what we are going to do today? Did we start chapter 15? The northeastern states?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did we complete the chapter? Had we completed the chapter or it's left a little? Nobody remembers. Very nice. We will start the chapter again.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Divyanshu, Mehul, Anjali, Pratyusha, nobody remembers till where we did chapter 15. Had we completed the chapter?
Ma'am, please wait, let me see.
Okay, page number 96.
Okay, no, ma'am.
We have not completed the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where were we? On what stage?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am, we have
afternoon.
not started the reading. Yes, ma'am. We didn't start it.
We didn't start the written work, that's fine. But did we read the whole chapter? Have I explained you the whole chapter?
No, ma'am.
No.
ma'am.
Okay, so let's begin with chapter 15 today, the northeastern states. Now, children, we have studied the states that fall in the northern mountains region, right? From the northern mountains, we are moving
Yes, ma'am.
eastwards. We are coming down, moving eastwards to the northeastern states. When we look at the map of India, here, can you all see the map?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
studied the states that fall in this region, right? We studied the states.
Yes, ma'am.
Now from here, we are moving eastwards and today we are going to cover up the states that fall in this region. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, before starting the chapter, let's discuss a few interesting questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you think that people living in the desert region have similar life as compared to the people living in the mountains region?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Do you think that people living in the hilly areas have similar life like people living in the coastal areas?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
no.
ma'am.
So, can you think of a few differences that their lifestyles would have?
Ma'am, languages, clothes.
Very nice answer, Anjali. And
Ma'am, sweets and food.
sweets. They have different.
Climate. Ma'am, clothes.
Yes, very good,
Climate.
Rayansh. The climate. Okay.
Ma'am, clothes.
Mehul is saying they have different sweets to eat. That's correct. That's the inside story of their life.
And no languages.
Yes, languages spoken are completely different.
And crops.
Very nice. The crops grown are entirely different. So now today, see,
Ma'am,
we live, okay, in which part of India do we live?
Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh.
Which
Ma'am,
part?
north.
I'm not asking which state.
Ma'am, north. Ma'am,
Yes,
north.
we live in the
Ma'am,
northern
north.
part of India. Now, everybody open up page number 69 of your book.
69. Ma'am, open.
Yes, open.
I'm open.
Now, where do we live? All of you can
Ma'am,
see
in
the
north.
green.
I'm
Yes,
north.
Uttar Pradesh is colored in green. Now, where does Uttar Pradesh lie? It lies to the north of India. Right? It lies in the north of India. Right
Yes,
below, right below Nepal. Okay? Now, as we move eastwards from Uttar Pradesh, which state comes next?
Ma'am, below.
No. If we move rightwards, if we move towards the east from Uttar Pradesh, which state comes first?
Ma'am, Arunachal Pradesh. Ma'am, Arunachal Pradesh.
Children, you are not listening to me properly.
Ma'am, Bihar.
Yes.
Ma'am, Bihar.
When we move eastwards from Uttar Pradesh, see, which is the east direction? Right from Uttar Pradesh, if we start our journey, we move eastwards. Which is the first state that falls?
Ma'am, Bihar.
Bihar. Bihar is the first state if we move eastwards. Then after Bihar, if we move even more towards east, if we go forward towards east, then which state falls?
Bangladesh. Ma'am, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is the country that falls. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, West
looking
Bengal.
into the map, children, see, look properly into the map. The colored areas are areas of our country. We can't move beyond the borders of our country. Okay. Remaining confined to the borders of our country. Now, if we move eastwards from Bihar, which state falls there?
Ma'am,
After
Assam.
Bihar.
Assam.
Ma'am, Assam.
बेटा मेघालय is colored in yellow color. मेघालय state जो है वो yellow color वाली है. ठीक है? Don't get confused.
Ma'am, Meghalaya.
It's
Ma'am, Assam.
yes, it's Assam. Now, Assam is a state that is a state of northeastern belt. ठीक है? The northeastern states जो आज हम पढ़ेंगे, Assam is one of those states, right? Now, if we go towards the northeastern area, if we enter the northeastern area, Assam is known as the gateway. What is Assam known as? The gateway to the northeast. Assam is known as the gateway to the northeast. Why? Because if we have to enter any state in the northeast, Assam would be the first state where we will have to enter. Now look into the map again. From Assam, if you have to go to Arunachal Pradesh, we have to cross Assam. If we have to go to Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, we have to cross the state of
Assam.
Assam. That is why Assam is known as the gateway to the east. What is Assam known as?
Northeast.
Gateway of the east.
Gateway to the northeast.
Yes, it is known as the gateway to the northeast. Very good. Now, which all states do we see in the northeast area? Let's begin from Assam. Our states begin from Assam in the northeast area. Okay? Read out those states. We have Assam. We have Arunachal Pradesh. We have Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Tripura. Can you see Tripura?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is it? Colored in orange color. This little state.
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Now see children, when we talk about Tripura, only look at the state of Tripura that is in orange color. Can you all see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, on the three sides of
No, ma'am, I
Tripura,
can't see.
Mehul, see, you can see Mizoram.
Yes,
Mehul, can you see the state of Mizoram?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, just on the left hand side of Mizoram, can you see this orange color?
Yes, ma'am.
Orange color, there is a yellow dot. Just above yellow dot in block letters, it is written Tripura. Did you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now Tripura, the state of Tripura has got white color border on its three sides. Can you see it is surrounded by what country is it? It is Bangladesh. Now can you see Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on all three sides?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody has seen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And this is very important. I am making you learn half of the chapter through this map. If you look at this map carefully, you will have this chapter on your fingertips. Okay? About the location, about the countries bordering these states and everything. This map makes it very easy for us to learn the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
We have Tripura on three sides of, we have Bangladesh on three sides of Tripura. Then let's come on to Mizoram. Mizoram is surrounded by which country? Tell me. Mizoram is bordered with which country?
Myanmar.
Yes.
Myanmar.
Now see, Mizoram has got Myanmar and Bangladesh also. On right hand side we have Myanmar, and on left hand side it is again Bangladesh. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
let's come on to Manipur. Manipur is surrounded by which country? Tell me.
Ma'am, Shillong.
No, beta
And ma'am,
Shillong.
Bangladesh.
Shillong
Ma'am,
country है
Myanmar.
समझ? Shillong कौन सी
Ma'am,
country है?
Myanmar.
ये बताओ.
Ma'am, Myanmar.
Shillong is what? Meghalaya की capital.
Ma'am,
Myanmar.
Yes. So Manipur is again bordered by Myanmar. Then moving on to Nagaland. Tell me about Nagaland. Nagaland का boundaries किसके साथ shared है?
Ma'am, Myanmar.
Ma'am, Myanmar. Ma'am, Myanmar. Myanmar.
Again, it is sharing its international boundary with Myanmar.
Myanmar.
Yes, very nice. And now when we move towards Arunachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh has got its boundary with?
Ma'am, Bhutan.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Bhutan.
Bhutan. Ma'am,
Yes.
And ma'am, Myanmar. And ma'am, Myanmar.
Arunachal Pradesh has its boundaries with Bhutan and Myanmar. That's correct. Now, we have read the states, we have studied these states from Assam. Till 1947. Till 1947, what was the fact? That these states were only 3 in number. After 1947, Assam was carved out into 4 more states. Okay? And those small states were named as Nagaland. Which were those states? Assam. Sorry. No.
Ma'am, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram.
Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh. 4 states were carved out from Assam. And in 2002, Sikkim was included in the 7 sister states. Otherwise, Sikkim was never a part of these northeastern states. Only in year 2002, it was included as the 8th sister state. Now, if we look at the state of Sikkim, Sikkim is bordered by, tell me how many countries?
Ma'am, Nepal and ma'am, Bhutan.
Nepal
Yes, ma'am.
and
Nepal
Bhutan.
and Bhutan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and China also. Ma'am, China also.
Tibet, that's Tibet. Sikkim is bordered by Nepal and Bhutan and Tibet.
Ma'am,
That's
China.
Tibet, beta, that's not China.
Okay, ma'am.
Just above Sikkim comes Tibet. So we have this geographical description of these states. Through this map, now I am sure even you can describe these states looking at this map. Can you describe now? Now let's come and read this chapter. Let's get back to page number 96. Reyansh, read out the first paragraph. Who is it?
Sisters are the
Contiguous.
The 7 sisters are the contiguous states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura in the northeastern part of India. In 2002, Sikkim was included as the 8th state of the northeastern region. They are a part of the northern mountain range. They lie in the Purvanchal range. In 1947, when India gained independence, its northeastern region had only 3 states: Assam, Tripura, and Manipur. Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh were carved out later from Assam. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh.
That's all, beta. Summer, read out Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is a hilly state. The river Brahmaputra enters India through this state.
Okay, stop.
Itanagar is its capital. Ma'am, you have muted yourself.
Everybody mark this line. The river Brahmaputra enters India through this state. This is a very important line.
Ma'am, can I continue?
Yes, continue.
Itanagar is its capital. This state received heavy rainfall. People living in the flood-prone regions sometimes build houses on stilts to protect themselves from rain or floods. Farming and weaving are the main occupations of the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Wheat, paddy, and maize are the main crops grown here. Tourists visit this state for its natural beauty. The Tawang Monastery and the Namdapha National Park are some of the famous places.
All right, that's all. Now, children, see, this state receives heavy rainfall, and people of this state, how do they protect themselves? They protect themselves from rains and floods. This is a flood prone area also because it receives very heavy rainfall. So how do the people of this place protect themselves? They build their houses on stilts. What are stilts? Can any one of you tell me? What are stilts? Nobody knows. Okay. Stilt houses are, they give a height to their houses. Their houses are generally made in wood. So what they do, they build their houses, they lift them up from the surface of the ground. Why? Because with rains and flood water, the water enters their houses. So they create a little height and build their houses on what? On wood. Now, what are stilt houses? Each one of you will have to Google it. Just Google the picture, then you'll understand what are stilt houses. They are built on the logs of
Wait.
woods. Do it, all of you.
Ma'am,
Do it
I am
right now.
searching.
Yes, hurry up and search.
Ma'am, I found the picture of it.
Now you
Ma'am, you do-
understood how people of Arunachal Pradesh protect themselves from rains and floods. This way the water moves from below their houses. It does not enter their house.
Ma'am,
Yes,
they
ma'am,
have
I
water.
also found.
When they have water on the when they have house on the water.
No, you have to Google stilt houses. Just Google stilt houses and go on the image. I don't have my phone, otherwise even I would have shown you.
Ma'am, can we share our screen?
Yes, share your screen.
So, ma'am, can you allow us?
But I haven't
Ma'am, I got it.
disabled
Can
you
you
to share it.
Ma'am,
Just
I
try
got
to
it.
share
Can
if
you
you can.
Ma'am,
No,
can't.
ma'am, ma'am, it is showing
There
that
is no option
only
to
the
share
host can
screen.
share in this meeting.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am. Yes, I know. Ma'am, I got it.
You got it?
Ma'am, I did. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got.
Stilt houses, see, to elevate and live, to elevate living.
Ma'am, let me sending on WhatsApp.
Beta, I am
Yes,
not
ma'am.
having my phone. Wait, I am only going to
Ma'am.
share my screen, don't worry.
Ma'am, I'm sharing.
Ma'am, I am having
Yeah,
so
I'm
many
taking
interesting.
screenshot share on WhatsApp.
Share screen. Now, can you see this? This house. Where is the house disappeared?
No, ma'am.
Wait, it'll come. Now see, can you see this? This
Yes,
is called
ma'am.
Yes,
a
ma'am.
stilt
Ma'am, I have
house.
also found
Ma'am,
these
like this,
images.
they are also in Google.
Yes, I have opened it from Google only.
Ma'am, I have also Googled the picture.
Yes, you have Googled the picture. Good. Now, let me see if there are any more pictures. No, I cannot find any. So let's continue with the chapters. Now we are clear with the concept that what are stilt houses? They are elevated from the surface. Now, why are they elevated? Just to have protection against the rainwater and flood water. Then, next. Who will read now next? Pratyusha, read the next stage.
Okay, ma'am.
Pratyusha is not here in the class.
Ma'am, she is
Uh,
here. By mistake, I closed my video. So can you tell me the page number once again?
Page number is beta 97.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Assam?
Yes, Assam.
Assam is also known the gateway of the northeast. The river Brahmaputra flows through this state, making the land fertile. Rice and jute are the main crops. Tea is grown in large areas called tea plantation. Assam tea is famous all over the world. Assam is famous for its.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
want
what
to say something.
Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, in Arunachal Pradesh, some people even build tree house also.
All right.
Ma'am, what is written is this Muga
Muga. It's Muga silk.
Muga silk. The women wear a dress called
Mekhla.
Mehkla
Mekhla chadar.
Mekhla Chadar. Bihu is a folk dance for Assam. Dispur is the capital of Guwahati is the largest city. Assam have 5 national parks. Kazi Range and Manas National Park are two of the most visited national parks. Kazi Range is famous for its one-horned what is it?
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros, and Manas Wildlife Sanctuary has a tiger and elephant reserve. The
Reserve.
reserve. The what is written is this KAMAHYA.
Kamkhaya. Kamakhya. Sorry,
The
Kamakhya.
Kamakhya,
No, beta, it's
the Kamakhya,
Kamakhya.
the Kamakhya temple is in Guwahati is also a tourist attraction. Bamboo and cane products and handicrafts are made here. The language spoken is Assamese.
All right. So this is all about the state of Assam. What is famous here? Assam is famous for its Muga silk. What is Assam famous for? It's Muga silk. And what is the traditional dress of the women of Assam? It's Mekhla Chadar.
Yes.
All right. Then coming on to Nagaland, Anjali.
Nagaland forms the international boundary with Myanmar. The Naga Hill Range makes the terrain mountainous and the climate wet and cool. Nagaland is home to many tribes. Each tribe wears a colorful shawl with unique designs.
Designs.
Rice, maize, millets, and potatoes are grown here. Weaving and woodwork are the other occupations here. The capital is the Kohima. The Hornbill Festival held in early winter is a big tourist attraction.
All right. So now we have they saying that Nagaland shares its international boundary with which country?
With Myanmar.
With Myanmar. And also that the capital of this state is, what is the capital?
Kohima.
Kohima is the capital. Hornbill Festival is a big tourist attraction. Now you can be questioned that which festival is celebrated in Nagaland.
Hornbill.
So that is the Hornbill Festival. Then next, reading from now, Manipur. Who is going to read the state of Manipur? Mehul.
Ma'am, now can I read? Okay, ma'am. Nagaland. Nagaland from the international boundary with Myanmar. Myanmar. The Naga Hill Range make the terrible mountain and the climate wet and cool. Nagaland is home and many tribes. Each tribe wear a colorful shawl with unique designing. Rice, ma'am, what is this written?
Rice being the most important.
Rice beans, ma'am, rice bean.
Where? In Manipur?
No, ma'am, in Nagaland.
Why are you reading Nagaland? We have already read Nagaland now.
Okay. Manipur shares its border with
With Myanmar.
With Myanmar, Loktak, the largest freshwater lake is in northeast of this state. The climate, the pleasant throughout the year, kept the climate is pleasant throughout the year, except during the winter months. Except during the winter month when it is cool. Farming is an important occupation. Rice bean The most important crop: tea, coffee, rubber, cardamom,
Cardamom.
cardamom, fruits and vegetables are also grown. The famous classical Manipur dance organized in this region. The capital of this region, this state is Impal. Impal.
The capital of this place is Imphal. Now,
Impal.
next. Okay, which is the fresh water lake of Manipur?
Ma'am, Lokata.
Loktak. It is the largest lake in the northeast. The name is the Loktak Lake. Now, let's study the state of Mizoram.
Can I read?
Yes, now Devyanshu Dev is going to read.
Okay, ma'am.
Start,
Mizoram.
Devyanshu.
Mizoram is a hilly state and it shares its boundary with Myanmar and Bangladesh. Myanmar means the abode of clouds. Agriculture is the main opinion. Ma'am, what is written? Ma'am, what is written?
Ma'am, occupation?
Yes.
Occupation of the Mizos. It has one of the highest electric
Literacy.
rates.
Literacy rates.
Literacy rates in the country. The Mizos make a variety of bombs, products,
Bamboo
and
products.
bamboo products and handcrafts.
Handicrafts, beta, handicrafts.
Handicrafts. Crows or the bamboo dance is a popular folk dance.
All right, wait.
Is called
It's Chiro or the bamboo dance is a popular folk dance. What do we say? Folk.
Dance.
Aizawl is the state capital.
Aizawl. It's Aizawl is the
Aizawl.
state capital. What is the state capital of Mizoram?
Ma'am, Aizawl.
Aizawl. And which dance is the popular folk dance?
Ma'am,
Bamboo dance.
Bamboo dance or Chiro dance. Then Mizoram also has the highest literacy rates.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of literacy?
The highest literacy rates is it has the maximum number of people who are educated, who are literate. What is literate? Being literate, those who are the ability to read and write. That is called literacy. So Mizoram is a state where we have the maximum number of literate people. Then next. Who is going to read the state of Tripura? Pratishtha is left to read.
Ma'am, can I?
Pratishtha, where are you? Okay, Ridyansh is also left. Ridyansh, you read. Pratishtha is
Tripura.
not.
Tripura is
Pratishtha, next one. You read the next one.
surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides. Rice, pineapple, and jute are the main crops which are grown here. Handicrafts are made from cane, bamboo, and wood. Goria is the popular folk dance of Tripura. Agartala is the capital of the state.
All right. So, Goria dance is from the state of Tripura. And Agartala is the state capital. Next. Pratishtha, Meghalaya.
Meghalaya. Meghalaya, the land of the Khasi, Garo and Jaintia hills, shares its borders with Bangladesh.
Meghalaya means the abode of clouds. Maushram, a village in this state, has the heaviest rainfall in the world. Agriculture is an important occupation. Rice, maize, potatoes, pineapples, oranges, and many other fruits are grown here. Shillong is the capital and is a popular tourist spot.
All right. Shillong is the capital and is a popular tourist spot of this place. And also, one thing that has to be remembered is Mohsin Ram, which receives the heaviest rainfall in the world, belongs to this state. Okay, this is a very important question once again. Now we are left only with the state of Sikkim. Sikkim is bordered by Bhutan, Tibet, and Nepal. That, children, I already showed you in the map.
Yes, ma'am.
It has cool summers and cold winters. Now, which areas have got cool summers and cold winters? The hilly areas. Hilly areas, right? The climate over there is such that summers are cool and winters are cold. It is a
Ma'am.
popular tourist destination. Farming and weaving are two major occupations. The red panda is found in this state. Where is red panda found?
In Sikkim,
What is the capital of Sikkim?
ma'am, the capital of Sikkim is
Gangtok. Very nice.
ma'am,
Now, children, we have 3 minutes left. Everybody close down your books. Everybody close down your books. Let me see how much you all remember. Everybody open up your mic. Oh, sorry. Your cameras. Everybody open up your cameras. I'm going to ask you questions. Everybody will get 1 point for right answer. Now let me see who answers first. Only the one who gives the answer first will be the winner. Okay? Divyanshu, Anjali, Mehul, hurry up and put your camera on for 2 minutes.
in chat box.
No, you have to answer it. You have to put your cameras on. You have to put your mics on so that you can immediately give the answer. Okay? Let me see who wins this game. All your books are closed?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Question number 1. Listen to it carefully. Anyone can answer first. I will see who answers first. I have all the faces in front of me. Through which state river Brahmaputra enters India?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Mehul is the winner. Mehul is the winner. Mehul gets 1 point. Okay. Yes, Mehul answered first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which state is known as the gateway to the northeast?
Ma'am.
Pratyusha. It was Pratyusha who answered. Okay. The second largest monastery of the world. What is its name?
Tripur.
No, wrong.
Nagaland.
Wrong. Reyansh gave the correct answer. Reyansh, what did you say?
Ma'am, Tuang Monastery.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Beta, keep your mic on. Reyansh, keep your mic on. Don't mute yourself. Okay. So how many with 1 point each? Reyansh, Pratyusha and Mehul. Now next. Which state has the highest literacy rate?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I think Sikkim.
Mizoram. Mizoram. Mizoram.
Who answered first?
Ma'am, Manipur.
Ridyansh. It was Ridyansh. Yes. Now the last
is the
question.
answer?
Time is up. Last question. Let me see who wins it. Okay. Hornbill Festival is from which state?
ma'am,
Nagaland.
Divyanshu gave the answer. Divyanshu was the first one to give the answer.
Only few are the winners.
So many students at point 1 get, so many students get 1 point. All of you are winners. It was just without preparation that you could still answer so well. All right, children, let's end the class here. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.